Today, the landscape of AI and machine learning is evolving at an unprecedented rate. Just 2 weeks ago, the announcement of Devin, the first AI software engineer, went viral. Despite being a closed source system with limited accessibility, its impressive demos left many trembling and/or in awe, depending on who you are. Following Devin's revelation, OpenDevin was launched a week later, essentially mirroring Devin, but as an open source alternative, welcoming contributions and user interaction. Then a few days ago, there was Devika, a clone of OpenDevin. Can you imagine what we're going to see in 6 months, 1 year, 2 years? This video aims to dissect the functionalities, user experience, and community ecosystems of both platforms, guiding you toward making an informed decision that aligns with your project requirements. Watch until the end to gain a comprehensive understanding of each platform's strengths and weaknesses, and a surprise new option that could alter your perspective on these tools entirely. Let's take a look at OpenDevin's UI. It features a chat interface for interaction and is equipped with 4 main tools: a browser, planner, code editor, and terminal. Users have the option to choose between LangChain or Codact agents for the backend. It supports both GPT-4 and Claude models. A simple calculator app was created using Python as a demonstration. Also, it demonstrated an ability to iterate on tasks, such as adding an HTML interface to the calculator app. It even tested the app locally. On GitHub, OpenDevin boasts more stars than Devika, but it encountered both successes and failures during a demonstration on a relatively simple project. Issues arose with the browser and planner not refreshing, ultimately leading to an error upon exit. Additionally, its installation process appeared somewhat more complicated, potentially due to increased dependencies. This reminds me of AutoGen Studio from Microsoft. That is a no-code AI agent tool targeted at non-programmers that involves a 55-step installation process. Devika's UI bears a strong resemblance to that of OpenDevin, including similar features like a chat/planner, search engine/browser, and a terminal. It also allows users to select their preferred search engine or model, supporting all major AI APIs and local Ollama models. It gives internet connection status as well as a token meter. The critical question, of course, is its functionality. Devika successfully executed a simple game of life program without a hitch, and a calculator app with a zero-shot prompt. However, when employing Mixtral from Grok, an asyncio error occurred, suggesting a possible race condition. Or it might be that Grok is too fast for Devika. Maybe Grok needs a speed limit sign. Compared to OpenDevin, Devika's installation and setup processes for both the front end and back end seem more straightforward. To me, it seems like there are no unique or defining features in either. They are very similar. What might set them apart may be which one works better. Oh, they did share one thing in common, which was annoying installation process. Maybe a fully Dockerized script would be great. However, there's another new project in town, even more interesting, called SWE Agent. It has 5K stars on GitHub, and basically it can read your issues on GitHub, replicate it and fix it, and then submit a pull request. The genius design of this project is how it can integrate itself into existing projects. That's it for today. I will review SWE Agent tomorrow. Till then, keep experimenting and learning.